Today, we will discuss OpenSearch and Taiga. Taiga and OpenSearch are both open source initiatives. This indicates that their source code is openly accessible, enabling transparency, community contributions, and customization. Web browsers can be accessed both platforms because they usually have web-based interfaces. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. OpenSearch is a collection of distributed analytics and search tools. Large amount of data may be searched, analyzed, and visualized with its help. It is frequently utilized for general purpose search, application performance monitoring, and log analytics, scalability, vector search capabilities, full text search, log analytics, and data visualization using OpenSearch dashboards. Taiga is a platform for open source project management. It is intended to support agile project management, including the Scrum and Kanban approaches. Taiga, overseeing software development and other projects, Kanban boards, Scrum prints, issue tracking, task management, and project planning. All in all, both platforms use data management even though they deal with different kinds of data. Taiga handles project-related data such as tasks, issues, and sprints, while OpenSearch handles massive amounts of data for search and analytics. Both systems have API access, enabling system integration. For the development of modern software, this is crucial.